I bought this old from a thrift store coffee making machine, and when I was cleaning it I did discover something. So you can actually remove this cover. It has sort of a clips at front here. Need to be careful pushing them a little bit back to free it, then it kind of hooks these other rear clips, so careful, it's plastic. Fantastic. Underneath here it looks, this is the hose that brings hot water from the reservoir. It's going to get it to pour over the holes here and into the basket and onto the filter with the coffee. However, if you look there, there is another hole there, and this goes just like the others, except that it's kind of offset, and when you look at the basket here, that whole offset one goes on this, above these strips. It's like just, you know, kind of 3 pieces of plastics. The reason for this, I believe, I got the wrong filter. It's not the proper filter. I need to go back to buy the right one, but I'll try to use this one for the video. So what happens is those 3 strips will keep the filter away from the basket. So basically that whole offset one will just leak, not inside but outside the filter area, outside the coffee if you want. Now I'm a bit perplexed because so the idea, I think, for this offset hole is whenever you remove this thing, there is a mechanism to prevent the coffee to keep flowing, so it stops flowing. However, it's still brewing, so this is going to fill slowly. And I was guessing once it gets here at the top, it's going to flow through this hole. But where exactly? Because it goes back into the basket, just not in the coffee part of the basket, kind of outside, but it's still going to keep, it's already full, basically, the basket with coffee. So why, if someone knows the answer, maybe an expert, someone who knew these machines, why is this hole there? What's actually doing? Because it doesn't feel like it's not leaking outside, it's really leaking inside the basket. So again, if the basket it's full with kind of coffee and it reaches this level, then the water from the hose will start also on top of these things, also flow to that hole, but it's just leaking inside the basket, but just outside the filter, and still it's filling the basket. Just someone may know the answer. It also has this kind of piece on top of it, which goes with the cut over there, and this piece stays down, doesn't even lift. So here it's kind of blocked for some reason. It cannot lift because it's pushing onto that cover underneath it. So it's a weird design. I'm really not sure what's going on here. If someone knows about it, let us know.